Welcome to StartCooking.com. Hi, I'm Kathy Maister. Chicken cutlets are on today's menu. This recipe should be enough to feed 4 people. You'll need 5 pieces of equipment, 3 bowls, each one should be big enough to hold 1 chicken breast, tongs, and a large frying pan. The ingredients are 1 1/2 pounds of boneless, thin-sliced chicken breast, 1 cup of dry, seasoned breadcrumbs, 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Break the eggs into one of the dishes and add 2 tablespoons of water. With a fork, blend the water and the eggs together. In the second bowl, put 1 cup of flour. In the third bowl, put 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Line the bowls, first the flour, then the egg mixture, and finally the breadcrumbs. Now we need to start dredging, dunking, and patting. It's the dunking bit that gets kind of messy. Take 1 chicken breast at a time. First, dip it in the flour. This is called dredging. Now, dunk it into the eggs. Be sure the chicken gets totally covered with the egg. Lastly, put the chicken in the breadcrumbs. Give it a pat to make sure the breadcrumbs fully coat the chicken. Be sure to throw away any leftover flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. You can't reuse these ingredients as they've all been exposed to raw chicken. Oh, and be sure to wash your hands. Preheat your fry pan on medium heat for about a minute. Add the oil and let that heat up for about a minute. Using a pair of tongs, carefully add the chicken to the fry pan. You should be able to hear the oil sizzle when you add the chicken. Fry the chicken for about 2 minutes on each side. They should be well browned before you turn them over to cook the other side. If your chicken breasts are thicker than 1/2 inch, then obviously they'll take a bit longer to cook. Always check to see if they are cooked through by cutting 1 breast in half. Make sure there's no sign of pink on the inside of the chicken. These look perfect. The crust is crispy golden brown and the inside is tender and juicy. You can turn these chicken cutlets into chicken parmesan. Just check my blog to see how. Cheers!